Okay, this is video. Go ahead. Speak up.
Speak up.
We're here in Imperial Beach. In San Diego. Here. Miss Gloria Poppins here.
Nilalagay mo pala sa Facebook ito?
Oo, may
Sa
nakita
YouTube to,
yung-
sa YouTube.
Ano ko sa New York?
Ay,
Pinsang ko.
ako nga. Lagay mo natin sa
Yes.
Kumakain daw ako ng tinapay na Imelda Poppin bread.
That's me there.
Tawa raw ng tawa yung pinsang ko. Si ano ko yung Ate Lorna.
Humarap ka dito. Ate, while you talking.
Kakatuwa ka,
When
Wilma.
will I see those pictures?
Ay, laki-laki ng alon, no?
YouTube kinakain ko rin yung bread na Imelda Poppin bread.
Oh, it's alright. Maybe while you're sitting down in the, living, what's that? Sister front?
Nandun din yung Manny Pacquiao bread.
Yeah.
Obama raw. Nandoon, nakita nila eh.
Hindi ko nakita yung Obama bread.
Hindi mo nakikita yung mga video mo? Ang dami mong video sa akin, ano? Kaya nga, kaya makikilala ka na ng buong, makikita ka na nila date ngayon.
Cake. Favorite ni Wilma.
Ate Jessica,
Ito, Barong
Barong Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Makikita ka sa YouTube
Cleaners.
Andito kami naglalakad dahil kami, nabuboard sa buhay namin this time. Pauwi na sila bukas.
Punta na kami ng Las Vegas, LA, Las Vegas.
Leaving San Diego. We're gonna miss San Diego.
Come back anytime. Ate
We're
Jessica's
gonna do another show.
door is open.
That's for sure.
Oh, any message?
Hi. See you all at the
Alright.
show.
When is this gonna be?
December 7th.
December 7? Wow, lucky 7, huh? That's nice. So, what about in Washington? Are you going there, Ate? Washington, D.C.?
Washington and Washington, D.C.
Because my daughter there. That's why I wanna go.
Washington, D.C.
Yes. Near to,
Washington lang.
near to White House.
Oh, Washington, D.C.
Okay, thank you guys. Good night.